Ever wondered about the challenges faced by the fintech and agriculture sectors today? In the rapidly evolving world of fintech, issues like data security and regulatory compliance loom large. With transactions occurring at lightning speed, ensuring data integrity and security is paramount. Similarly, achieving compliance with diverse, often complex financial regulations is a constant struggle. Now let's turn our attention to agriculture. Despite being one of the oldest industries, it grapples with its own set of challenges. Inefficient supply chains often lead to increased wastage, while lack of transparency makes it difficult for consumers to trace the origin of their food. Additionally, smallholder farmers often find it difficult to access financial services, hindering their ability to invest and grow. In the face of such challenges, could there be a solution that provides security, transparency, and efficiency? Could blockchain as a service be the solution to these challenges? Let's explore. First, let's understand what blockchain as a service is. Blockchain as a service, often abbreviated as BaaS, is a cloud-based service that empowers businesses to build, host, and use their own blockchain applications, smart contracts, and functions on the blockchain, while the cloud-based service provider manages all the necessary tasks and activities to keep the infrastructure agile and operational. Think of it as a kind of rental service. Instead of buying all the equipment and manpower to set up a blockchain network, you simply hire a BaaS provider who takes care of all these complexities. They provide the necessary infrastructure and maintain it, allowing businesses to focus on their core operations without worrying about the underlying complexities of blockchain. This setup is particularly beneficial for businesses that want to implement blockchain technology but lack the necessary technical expertise, or do not wish to invest in building and maintaining their own blockchain infrastructure. BaaS acts as a kind of catalyst, enabling these businesses to experiment with blockchain technology in a low-risk, high-reward environment. Moreover, BaaS providers offer additional services such as bandwidth management, data storage, security measures, and performance processing, which are crucial for running a successful blockchain network. This way, businesses can enjoy the benefits of blockchain, such as transparency, immutability, and security, without having to deal with the technical and operational challenges of running a blockchain network. BaaS is also highly scalable. As your business grows, you can easily expand your blockchain operations without having to worry about infrastructure limitations. This scalability makes BaaS a popular choice among businesses of all sizes, from startups to multinational corporations. And finally, BaaS is not industry-specific. It can be applied in various sectors, including fintech and agriculture, where it can help solve many of the inherent challenges these sectors face. With an understanding of BaaS, let's delve into how it can be applied in fintech and agriculture. Imagine a financial world with enhanced security, transparency, and efficiency. That's what blockchain as a service, or BaaS, can bring to fintech. Let's start by talking about regulatory compliance and standards. Blockchain technology is still relatively new, and the rules surrounding its use are still being developed. By involving public-private partnerships, or PPPs, we can ensure that the development of these regulations is a collaborative process. Governments and regulatory bodies can work together with private enterprises to create industry-specific standards that ensure the implementation of BaaS aligns with legal frameworks. Next, let's discuss financial inclusion. There are billions of people around the world who are currently unbanked or underbanked. Governments can partner with financial institutions and technology providers to extend financial services to these populations using BaaS. This partnership can result in the development of inclusive financial solutions that leverage blockchain for security and transparency. Cybersecurity and data protection are also critical aspects of FaaS. Public and private entities can work together to enhance these measures, ensuring that sensitive financial data remains secure. This collaboration fosters trust among users and helps to ensure the success of BaaS implementations. Education and awareness are just as important as the technology itself. Collaborative efforts can be made to educate businesses, financial institutions, and the public about the benefits and risks of blockchain technology. This can include training programs, workshops, and awareness campaigns that promote a better understanding of how BaaS can positively impact the financial sector. Lastly, we have interoperability. Different blockchain platforms need to be able to communicate with each other for a more connected and efficient financial ecosystem. Public and private sectors can collaborate on establishing interoperability standards, ensuring seamless communication and a more efficient financial ecosystem. BaaS can indeed revolutionize fintech. Now let's turn our attention to agriculture. From farm to fork, blockchain as a service can transform the agricultural sector. Blockchain's potential reaches far beyond financial transactions. It's a technology that can bring about significant changes in the agricultural sector, addressing inefficiencies and creating new possibilities. Firstly, let's talk about infrastructure development. The implementation of blockchain in agriculture requires the right infrastructure. Here's where public-private partnerships can make a significant impact. Governments can collaborate with private entities to develop networks, sensors, and other technologies essential for data collection and management. This infrastructure can help streamline agricultural operations, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Next, we move on to research and development. Collaborations between public institutions, private companies, and academic organizations can lead to innovations in agricultural technology. Joint efforts in R&D can enhance the capabilities of blockchain in the sector, paving the way for new applications and solutions. Risk is an inherent part of agriculture. Crop failures, adverse weather conditions, and other unforeseen events can have devastating impacts. But imagine if blockchain could help mitigate these risks. Governments and private insurers can collaborate to develop blockchain-based insurance solutions, providing farmers with a safety net against potential losses. A key factor in the successful implementation of blockchain in agriculture is skill development. Joint initiatives can be established to train farmers and other stakeholders on how to effectively use the technology. This ensures that blockchain is not just implemented, but also embraced and utilized optimally throughout the agricultural value chain. Lastly, we can't ignore the importance of environmental sustainability. Blockchain can play a vital role here too. Collaboration between public environmental agencies and private agricultural enterprises can focus on using blockchain for sustainable and eco-friendly practices. This can help track and reduce carbon footprints, promote responsible farming, and contribute to a greener planet. As we've seen, blockchain as a service holds immense potential for both the fintech and agriculture sectors. So, we've seen how blockchain as a service can tackle the challenges in fintech and agriculture. From regulatory compliance, financial inclusion, cybersecurity, to education and interoperability in the fintech sector, the integration of blockchain as a service has shown its potential to revolutionize the way we conduct financial transactions. In the agricultural realm, the implementation of this technology through infrastructure development, research, risk mitigation, skill development, and striving for environmental sustainability has the capacity to transform the sector into a more efficient, transparent, and sustainable industry. The integration of public-private partnerships in the adoption of this technology is the key to its successful implementation. By fostering collaboration across sectors, we can better navigate the complexities of these industries, ensuring that the benefits of blockchain technology are widely realized. While still in its early stages, the potential of blockchain as a service in transforming these sectors is undeniable. The future is indeed promising.